How to go live on Twitter on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up how we can easily go live on Twitter just by following some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end, but before watching this video I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option as well. So first thing first, open up your Twitter, just launch your Twitter app, and in order to go live you just need to follow some steps. So when you reach to your homepage, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. You just need to tap on this plus icon and very easily you will be able to find this go live option. Just tap on go live and tap on continue, and you need to give access to record video and audio. So what you can do is just allow the access. After that, you may just enter your topic about your live and add your location as well, and just tap on go live, and just like that you can go live on Twitter just using your phone. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.